Hi, MCC students, and welcome to our fourth episode of MCC Career Talks. On our previous episodes, we talk about resume building, job interview tips, and the importance of getting certifications. In this fourth episode, I want to briefly talk about how to balance your study life with your work life. As I know, many of you have to juggle between classes and assignments and exams and work duties. So basically, you have to consume a lot of time and energy into these tasks. But first of all, congratulations for those who are doing a great job in that because you're already having three main skills. You have a time management skill, you share responsibility, and you also have everything under control. And you're building resilience. Key main skills that actually employers value a lot. Well, when it comes to time management, it's important for you to organize your tasks in a calendar and try to break down your big tasks into smaller tasks. So, for example, set up achievable goals. Do not say something like, oh, I'll study later after work. Instead of, you can include a special time for an hour that it's actually convenient for you to work after work, to study after work. That way, you can map out in a calendar your deadlines with work and also your assignments and future exams. Please remember that your priority is school, so make sure that you communicate that ahead of time with your employers and they can come up with a flexibility schedule for you that work best. Additionally, make sure that you take care of yourself. That means to rest well, eat healthy food, work out, and give your brain times of relax so you can build up energy and then move on with the next activities. So again, if you need any advice or any guidance on how to balance your work and study life, you can contact Career Services. I'll be happy to assist you with that. And I hope this episode was helpful again. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.